Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into MasterStudy LMS and showing you exactly how to set up a student login system for your online courses. Let's get started. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now look for the MasterStudy LMS menu on the left sidebar. Click on it and navigate to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. We need to click on the Authorization tab under Profile option. This is where all the magic happens. Here's what you need to know. MasterStudy gives you a powerful shortcode to add login and registration forms anywhere on your site. The shortcode is MasterStudy_Authorization_form. But here's the cool part. You can customize it. Want to show the login form first? Just add type equals login, like this. Or, if you want students to see the registration form first, use type equals register. Now, let's talk about user registration. Scroll down in the authorization settings, and you'll find an option to control new user registrations. Here, you can turn off registration for all new users if you want to manually approve students or keep your course exclusive. Simply toggle this option based on your needs. Security is important, right? That's why MasterStudy lets you decide if new users need to verify their email addresses. When you enable this feature, students will receive a verification email after registration. They'll need to click the link in that email before they can access your courses. This helps prevent spam accounts and ensures you're dealing with real students. Don't forget the most important step. Scroll down and click Save Changes to make sure all your settings are applied. Your student login system is now live. And that's it. You now know how to set up a complete student login system in MasterStudy LMS. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more LMS tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.